If you're playing The Elder Scrolls V, Skyrim and walking everywhere feels slow. Fast travel can save you a lot of time. Let me show you how to do it properly, step by step. First, make sure you are outside in the open world. Fast travel does not work if you're inside buildings, caves, dungeons, or city interiors. Step outside before trying. Next, open the map. On PC, press M. On console, open the menu and select Map. Now, look for a location you've already discovered. You can only fast travel to places you've visited before, such as cities, stables, camps, or landmarks. Unvisited locations won't work. Select the location you want to go to and confirm fast travel. The game will automatically skip time and place you at that location. If fast travel doesn't work, check these common reasons. Enemies are nearby. You're over-encumbered. You're in combat survival mode is enabled. Clear enemies, drop items, or disable survival mode if needed. That's it. Once you know the rules, fast travel in Skyrim is quick, simple, and extremely useful.
If this tutorial saved you time, like the video, subscribe to LearnBase, and ask your next question below.